Alrighty, so yeah, this new little project, I don't even know what you're gonna call it, but we're gonna try and see what the laser will laze to, burn on, whatever you want to call it. Um, this is probably one of my favorite things, which is the Grateful Dead, and I've been trying to figure out stuff, what to burn, and I can't figure it out. So you know what? I'm just gonna burn this. I'm going to do a little test and show you what this is going to look like. This is 3mm plywood, so we'll see how this comes out, and then we're going to move on to something a little more fun. We're going to see how this comes out, and we're going to move on to something a little more fun. I think I might try cheese. So, yeah, we'll see how this goes. And thanks for coming out, guys. Okie dokie. So there we go. This is a rather large one. I'm obviously not going to engrave stuff that big, but you have an idea of kind of what it takes. That was about 30 minutes, 26 something, and yeah, came up with that. But next, we're going for bread. We're gonna see what it does. See how it cuts. Now this is done with two different styles. This is called burn and fill. You can see how his eyes are filled in. You see how it's dark. The last cut you saw was the actual cut that cut it out of the plywood. So I'm not going to cut it out. Well, I guess I could. Hey, let's try it. Whatever. Let's see how it goes here.